Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to add a manager to your Google Analytics. Okay, so first, when you log in, it shows 0 right now. This is kind of one of my easy analytic how-to properties here. So there's going to be 0 users or 0 activity. So when you come over down here to the admin section and come over here to user management. Now, of course, it depends on the level that you'd like to do. If this is just property level, if you have many websites and you just want to give somebody access to a single property, maybe just one website or one area or one section or property, I should say, then you would come here. If you want to give them access to your entire account, this is where you would add user management. So first we come here. I recommend sticking with a property. Come here to user management, and you can see I've got mine in here already. Now we come here in the upper right, we've got a big blue button. We want to add users. We want to type in a user. Let's just say test@gmail.com. Do I want to notify? Yes, I'd like to let them know. And here's where I can decide on the level of management. Now, if you've got maybe a marketing team that you've just hired, this might, an edit version is probably best. You do want to give them the ability to create reports, add some filters, some goals. Edit is the best way. Now, if maybe you've got a reporting of an employee who just needs the reports, then I would just uncheck these and it would just be read and analyze. And again, it just completely depends on the level of activity that you'd like to give folks. So collaborate, can edit and shared assets like dashboards and annotations. So you've got maybe a researcher, again, another employee in there, maybe somebody that just does social media work for you. That might be a good option as well. Manage users is somebody that has even more capabilities. They'd be able to add employees, add different third-party vendors that maybe that you've hired, other contractors. So you would give them that capability. So in this case, at the property level, I would just say an edit capabilities, because again, I do believe you want to give them filters, create goals. But again, they cannot manage users, so they just can't willy-nilly start adding a bunch of other people in there. So let's give them some control. All right, so when we're done, we hit add. Does not matter. Got it? All right, so we need to create another one here. Let's just say, globalspex.social@gmail.com. You'd hit add. And now we've got another person here. Now, if you need to remove access, you come over the little 3-button hamburgers, remove access. You can review exactly the level that you've given them. Let's see, let's go back here. That's how you would add a manager to your Google Analytics.